Hey, good evening, everybody. I want to do a video lesson on the infamous DRYS. And one of the calls I made in chat there, this isn't so much that I was right or anything like that. It's more of a price action lesson. Uh, I mean, I could really give two shits that I was right. It's more of I want to show you guys what I saw and how exactly I called basically to the penny where the squeeze was going to start, and it had nothing to do with where it opened or anything like that. It, you know, you could read it as that, but it wasn't, because the squeeze actually begun a little bit before. So you'll see here. So in chat in the morning, this is the type of stuff that we do all day long at TrickTrades. We give different types of market insight, and so I just want to show everybody what I was looking at. So in the morning, I tried getting short here, right in this area. There wasn't enough. There was no upticks. The SSR was on. It was down near impossible to get short in this level. Yeah, you can see a little bit here, but I couldn't get a fill. So now with something like DRYS, something that's so manipulated, it's basically one person calling the shots on this with Kalani Investments. When they're selling off, and no, it's not him or him pulling the trigger or anything. You can really tell because you watch the level 2, and there's a huge seller, right, all day, and then he lays off the gas pedal, and then it comes back up. So in here, like the only way you'll catch an uptick is when he lays off the gas pedal, and I did mention that in chat, right? So we were watching it, and it came up in here, and I tried getting a few right here at this, right here at this little green candle. I didn't get filled, and then it just, I figured I could get a fill here, couldn't get it. And then, but you see, there's just no upticks, very few upticks on this. So very difficult to get in. So then I noticed, now you see this area in here. Right, you see this area, how it's all green. Those are all areas where shorts can accumulate, right? So that's what I said. I said in chat, you gotta watch this level. This level breaks, especially the right at 72. That's how I had it marked. At 172, that was the main area where shorts could accumulate right at the beginning of the day. So everyone's going to be jumping in short. We had quite a bit of volume coming in here pre-market to get short into. So that's the level at 172. I said, you got to watch that level. If that breaks, that's going to start a big squeeze. So everyone was fully aware in the TrickTrades chat room when the squeeze was going to be on. So the second that area came into play, now I'll zoom ahead, you'll see exactly. So where does it start squeezing? Because this is all squeeze, right? This is the start of the squeeze. Right there, right at that level. 170, I think. Yeah, 165. Yeah, right in this level. These are all the smart shorts starting to get out, right? Because they know what's about to happen. You have to do a little bit of a preemptive strike on this. You have to be prepared. You got to get out soon, because then, because this is all just shorts climbing out of each other to get out, right? So I took full advantage of it at 2, right at this dip here. I got in to ride it to the long side, and then I rode it short right at 3 all the way down. Very predictable stock. There's some chat rooms that actually lost on this, and that just tells me the chat room moderators and the main man, they don't know what the fuck they're doing. Because if you're losing money on this and you're getting squeezed, you're an idiot. I mean, you don't know like especially if you claim you've been doing this for years and years and years, I mean, you can tell they haven't, because this was such an area that as soon as I saw that, that's where people are going to get squeezed, right? And like I said, I mean, it was called out in chat for everyone to watch that 172 level. I have it marked as 71, but it was 172. That's the level I said. So I mean, some people say where it was the break of high of day, right? And yeah, I mean, to some extent, but this is where the shorts could get in, and that's going to be because they're going to be looking at pre-market action as well, right? Professional traders will notice this type of action as well, because these are all shorts. All of these guys getting squeezed up in here, right? That were being stubborn. And these, as well as these are guys that got in pre-split, right? Because if you if you look, I mean, these the shorts right in here, right? Because this is all split adjusted. So I mean, it's these guys getting squeezed, all these guys as well, right? That may still be holding. They're all getting squeezed now because they didn't get a good enough average. So that's why we had such an explosive move. And I really do believe that the squeeze isn't. No one's safe on this yet. Like I don't want people shorting this. Like I shorted it, but I mean I got in and I got out. You know, take the move and then get out. Don't be holding on the especially because it became so easy, which is what I said in the previous video lesson. It's become too easy. I figured Kalani was going to lay off the gas pedal to squeeze it up, because the opening price on this, I mean, it opened at like well, under 3, like the 250 260 area. So it's not high enough. They're not going to be able to just keep reverse splitting every week, for Christ's sakes. I mean, if this price action kept up, it was looking like it was going to 1, and that's what Kalani was betting on. I mean, these guys have very strategic minds. They know what they're doing, right? This is all orchestrated. They designed this. I mean, it's any fool can see that was designed. And I think we're going to catch another squeeze because we got a lot of shorts in here. They figuring, oh yeah, it's never going to get back up there, so they hammered it. You can see in here, like we got quite a bit of there's a lot of volume in here. There's a lot of people short again, and they're going to hold it thinking that, oh yeah, it's not going to squeeze. So this time it's going to he'll lay off the gas pedal, and then long hardcore DRYS longs will get involved thinking that this is going to go back up to 120, which it won't. But it will squeeze. I think that the price target on this, I think they're going to want this in the $5 area, $6 area, and then sell it off. I really think because it was a 1-for-7 reverse split, and I don't think they figured it was going to sell off that hard. And they usually do a reverse split when DRYS hits 1. So they were looking for like the $6.50, $7 area. So that's going to be my area of interest on this again. And I really think we can catch some upside to this. Is it going to happen in one day? No. But is this move like gonna happen? I don't think so. But we're gonna catch little squeezes here and there, right? So be really cautious of this. I really think most people shouldn't even bother playing this. It's not worth it. There's better fucking plays out there, guys. But reading this price action right in here the morning of, I mean, this was a gimme play. I mean, to me, this is like a gimme. So I think, if you're interested and you're curious as to be able to call this sort of stuff for yourself, to read price action like this, come join us. Hit us up at TrickTrades.com in the comments section, and hit me up. I'll give you a free trial. I mean, that's all Mo and I want to do is help educate traders, right? I mean, our chat room's only $9.99. There's a reason why we keep it cheap. We're not looking to make money off you guys, so it's just to help pay for the screen share and stuff like that. I mean, we've been doing this free for months, so it's time people can contribute and help out a little bit. So especially for the level of education they're getting. You won't get that at any other chat room. We answer questions all day long. So come have a listen. Come check us out. Hit me up at my Twitter account at TrickMitch1, and hit me up, and or go to TrickTrades.com, and we'll get you situated with a free trial. Give you guys a couple days to try it out, and I think you'll be hooked. The level of education, like I said, is unparalleled anywhere else out there. So come check us out. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like, share, and subscribe. Good night, guys.